A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is sustaining morality, returning to the inner sun. Ladies and gentlemen, across cultures, geographies and eras, human life begins with remarkably similar strands of DNA. Nature's silent architecture for a species designed to evolve, flourish and coexist within a vast cosmic order. Encoded in this blueprint is more than biological instruction. It holds the innate capacity to recognize fairness, respond with empathy, and seek harmony. Morality in this light is not an external imposition but a natural expression of the deeper intelligence from which life emerges. At birth, as neural pathways ignite and sensory awareness awakens, the DNA program begins its lifelong dialogue with the environment. The young mind absorbs shared experiences, cultural principles, and ethical impressions that earlier generations distilled through observation and reflection. Evolutionary science affirms that cooperation, empathy, and fairness are not learned abstractions but biological tendencies essential for collective survival. As life unfolds, every individual encounters diverse experiences that shape, refine, or expand early values. The modern world, with its pace, pressure, and complexity, intensifies this evolution. Yet beneath every variation lies a constant, the intrinsic orientation toward what uplifts, protects, and harmonizes. Morality becomes the resonance arising when inner coherence is intact, when thought, emotion, and action converge in clarity. Neuroscience describes this coherence as integrated neural harmony, a state in which the brain's networks synchronize and decision-making becomes fluid and balanced. Ancient wisdom echoes this understanding, teaching that purity of intention aligns human consciousness with the larger rhythm of the universe. Both perspectives recognize that when the inner field is settled, the moral direction emerges naturally, without strain, conflict, or fear. Modern research also suggests that human morality may be linked to a subtle synchrony between the brain, the heart, and the electromagnetic field around the body. When intention is clear and emotions are harmonious, these systems move into a state of resonance that enhances perception, decision making, and empathy. Ancient wisdom described this state as inner alignment with the field of truth. Contemporary science now observes it as coherence, a measurable pattern showing that clarity within creates clarity in action. This convergence of old insight and new discovery reveals that morality is at its core an energetic harmony between the individual and the greater design. In this sense, sustaining morality is less about resisting external pressures and more about nurturing internal alignment. The inner sun, a radiant center within consciousness, acts as the compass. When awareness expands and connection deepens, the finite mind touches the infinite source from which its values originated. Guidance then flows with quiet certainty, illuminating each choice along the path. What's the way forward? Strengthening this inner alignment becomes the key to sustaining morality beyond inherited values. Practices that foster awareness, reflection, and emotional balance support the natural expression of the DNA's harmonious design. Environments that encourage curiosity, compassion, and purposeful action allow the moral compass to function with ease. Morality then shifts from being a discipline to becoming a rhythm, an effortless unfolding of clarity. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when inner harmony is nurtured, morality becomes self-sustaining, an expression of alignment between individual consciousness and the cosmic order. And in the timeless words of Lord Krishna, in the revered Bhagavad Gita, capturing the essence of this journey, the light arising from within directs every action toward the path that upholds the order of creation. May this inner sun continue to shine, steady, universal and timeless, guiding every soul across the shared journey of existence. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.